of both the teams, they were playing better, and as because this is already bad light, the referee and match officials should have given at least 5 to 10 minutes more, as because there is no light at all, and it's not possible to play finally the penalty shootout. And now Nikhil FC will kick off the ball fast and set from the opposition. Baramulla goalkeeper in set, and that's goal. That's goal from Nikhil Football Club. 1-0 lead. Will be starting as the goalkeeper to set the ball, to take his team in a leading way. But what will happen that we have to see. First opportunity for Baramulla Football Club. And Nikhil Football goalkeeper, very tall man, with his outstretched arms, trying his best. And that's goal. 1-1. Volunteers man को निवेदन करी आपण माने जे जोटा बिना काई की मुख्य मंच सामना को समस्त पड़े आसीबे पुरस्कार वितरण उत्सव को एक सर्कल करिबा गोटे सर्कल करिबा ऑल द वॉलंटियर्स मुख्य मंच सामना रे उपस्थित रहिबे टू अवॉइड एनी टाइप ऑफ इनडिसिप्लिन सिचुएशन. And that's goal. Nikhil Football Club. Ground shot and 2-1. Nikhil. To kindly remain present. Just at the front of the main stage, where our chief guest will grace the occasion and will be giving our the prize. The big cash prize, rupees 2 lakh, 1.5 lakhs. Rupees 60,000 is for third and fourth position. Now the opportunity for Baramulla. And that's goal. 2-2. Nikhil, 5,000 spectators around the stadium enjoying this final match, supporting their favorite team to be the champion for the year 2025. The whole crowd, ladies and gentlemen, in a tense position. Which team will be the winner, champion? Goal. Lead by Nikhil Football Club. Now the opportunity for the team Baramulla. Will make the kick number 5, player number 5. Will make the kick and it is gone. And successfully diverting the ball. Nikhil Football Club goalkeeper, the tall man, very efficient. Baramulla will make the kick and first save goalkeeper from Nikhil Football Club.
दा विन कर गया 2 लाख रुपए के साथ चमचमाती हुई ट्रॉफी इस साल का।